You're welcome back, guys. Today we took a break even and then it just played out to my TP. I just give you a quick recap on why did I take this trade and how did I manage it. Alright, so starting from the hourly time frame, obviously my bias was bearish since we're moving lower toward the sell side liquidity. And I just wanted to see a pullback into a 50-minute gap, but there was also this hourly 1 hour gap right here, and we had this intermittent high resting inside the hourly gap. So I wanted price to tap this and get a continuation and IVG break lower toward this sell side liquidity right here. So price came and took our intermediate high, which was resting below inside the 1 hour gap. And I was looking for entries from here. We had the highest time frame inverse was the 5 minute in this manipulation lag. So if I show you, this is the inverse that I was looking to get inverse. But what price did is that price actually went higher, almost tapped into this 1 hour unmitigated gap, and then generated low resistance liquidity higher, and we also had this new manipulation lag, and we had a 1 minute inverse right here. So this was a valid IVG, but the entry, I mean the trade, was so trash because of course the stop loss is not protected since we have the 1 hour unmitigated gap right here. Also low resistance liquidity. So the probability for the price to go higher is much more than for price to go lower. So what I wanted to see is actually price inversing this 5 minute gap, since it doesn't matter that we have low resistance liquidity, which is on the lower time frame. If price actually inverses this 5 minute gap, it will indicate that price actually wants to go lower towards this sell side liquidity is right here. So that was what I was looking for. So later price actually inverted this 5 minute. My entry was actually not here. I was just looking at this candle right here. My entry was kind of higher since price actually went higher. So there was like a slightly slippage, but this was good slippage. And then my target was just at 1 to 1. This was my break even since this is the manipulation legs low, and I was just looking at this for my break even. TP out 1 to 1, price actually came to my break even, and then I mean break even point, and then hit my break even, so taking me out of the trade, and then just made my TP. So this was the trade for today, and honestly, such a good trade. I'll take this again if it actually shows. I mean, it's set up readiness. It's a nice trade. Yeah, this was my day, and hopefully you guys got some wins. I'll see you guys in the next video.